Hi, my name is Pranay from We Commercial Vehicles, and today I will be taking you through the all-new Eicher Skyline Ambulance, which has been introduced to support healthcare mobility in India. Thoughtfully designed and meticulously engineered, the new Skyline Ambulance is built for life. Designed and developed as per global standards, the ambulance complies with AIS 125 and other statutory norms, ensuring the safety and comfort of both the patients and the driver. The new Skyline Ambulance is a true maverick that resonates with our theme of hope on the way. So, let's begin this journey. The front of the Skyline Ambulance is functional yet stylish with a Pegasus-styled cabin which symbolizes power, agility and smoothness for best-in-class driver comfort and safety. Large DRL headlamps for improved driver visibility, metallic bumpers with integrated fog lamps for additional safety, checkered decals around the body, external siren complemented by blinkers to announce the on-road presence. Additionally, the driver cabin is certified as per European crash test norms. The ergonomically designed ambulance hosts a separate driver and a patient compartment for added safety in the pandemic situation. The new Skyline Ambulance is effortless to drive, boasting the lowest turning circle diameter of 10.3 meter, having easy maneuverability in city application. Also, with a gradability of 34%, the ambulance gives good negotiability on slopes and flyovers. The new Skyline Ambulance is available in Type B, Patient Transport Ambulance, Type D, Advanced Life Support Ambulance and a body shell. We also have provision to install oxygen cylinders in our external compartment, which has an inbuilt internal connection. Our ambulance comes with a lower step and dual panel 270-degree opening doors for easy entry and exit. Now, let's go inside the vehicle. An auto-loading stretcher with dedicated guides for convenience, with locking mechanism for added safety. Here, we have a spacious compartment with best-in-class headroom and a wider body for ease of movement and convenience like no other. Interior features have been ergonomically positioned to aid all emergency situations. Squat bench for paramedics with storage space underneath, bucket-type doctor's chair with a safety belt, anti-skid vinyl flooring, dedicated space for storing medicines, and space with provisions to all life support equipment. The vehicle comes equipped with a powerful AC to maintain comfortable temperature inside the patient compartment. The new Eicher Skyline Ambulance is powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient E366 engine, which produces 100 horsepower. Built on a strong and robust chassis, the ambulance has a 5-speed gearbox with 285 Nm torque capacity and a clutch diameter of 280 mm for longer life, lower noise and easy gear shifting. Moreover, the propeller shaft is lubricated for life. This shaft helps in transmission of power with less losses and no maintenance. It's safe to agree that striving for comfort has always been our topmost priority. We have added improved parabolic suspension for superior comfort. That's not all. Our Skyline Ambulance is smart with an array of features like M-Booster Plus, fuel coaching, cruise control, easy drive. We ensure drivers get the best fuel efficiency every time they drive. Safety is engraved in Eicher's DNA. Our Skyline Ambulance includes all-wheel disc brakes to reduce braking distance and radial tubeless tires for longer life, anti-lock braking system, front and rear anti-roll bars for better stability and control, public announcement system, reverse parking and alert system for additional safety. Now, with the help of Eicher Live, you can access your ambulance location and assess its performance at the click of a button. This GPS-enabled feature comes complimentary with the ambulance for a period of 2 years. The vehicle offers great serviceability. The entire driver cabin is tiltable to offer easy access. available with best-in-class warranty, 3 years on engine and driveline and 1 year on the vehicle, accompanied by a higher service interval of 50,000 kilometers for your ambulance to drive longer. It is also supported by a 24/7 Aisha on-road service to ensure superior uptime. So, we can conclude by saying that the new Aisha Skyline ambulance is the safest in India, a perfect blend of Aisha engineering expertise and life-saving features. Hence, built for life.